Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered where all your money went? You're not alone. Budgeting can be a real headache, especially with all the different apps and tools out there promising financial freedom. Today, we're tackling one popular option, Goodbudget. Does it actually work for Canadians? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Budgeting? Boring. But stick with me for a sec. Budgeting isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your finances and making your money work for you. And if done right, it can even be kind of fun. So, what is Goodbudget? Well, it's a budgeting app that uses the envelope system. Remember those good old days when you'd put cash in envelopes labeled groceries, rent, or fun money? Goodbudget is like a digital version of that, but with added features and flexibility. But does it work for us Canucks? That's the million-dollar question. Let's break it down. First off, currency. Goodbudget supports Canadian dollars, so you don't have to worry about any conversion headaches. That's a major plus. Next, let's talk about features. Does it have everything a Canadian budgeter needs? Well, it offers the basics, setting budgets, tracking income and expenses, and categorizing transactions. You can also create subcategories, which is handy for those who like to get really granular with their budgeting. But what about those unique Canadian financial challenges? Think about taxes, RRSPs, and TFSA contributions. Does Goodbudget cut it? Well, it's not specifically tailored for Canadian taxes, but you can create custom categories to track these expenses. As for RRSPs and TFSAs, you can set up savings goals to contribute towards them. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done. Another thing to consider is banking integrations. Goodbudget doesn't have direct integrations with all Canadian banks, but you can manually add transactions. This can be a bit time-consuming, but it's doable. So, is Goodbudget worth it for Canadians? It depends. If you're someone who likes the envelope system and doesn't mind a bit of manual data entry, then it could be a great option. However, if you're looking for a fully automated budgeting solution with all the bells and whistles, you might want to explore other options. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Goodbudget is user-friendly, has a clean interface, and the envelope system can be a powerful tool for visual learners. On the downside, the lack of full banking integration can be a pain, and there aren't many advanced features like financial forecasting or investment tracking. Ultimately, the best budgeting app for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Goodbudget is definitely worth considering, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons and see if it aligns with your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. The key is to get back on track and keep learning. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.